sunshine, sunshine. I think I found it now. What I've been looking for. Isn't it beautiful? It's got my head all up in the clouds. I think I found it now. Everything I want might be a miracle. I know I'm never coming down. I don't gotta worry about a single thing. I can feel the light coming down on me. Sunshine on my face. I got sunshine on my face. I don't gotta care in the world right now. Higher than the ceiling, breaking through the clouds. Sunshine on my face. I got sunshine on my face. Yeah. I got sunshine. I got sunshine. I got sunshine. I gotta let you know. It's so incredible. I'm finally letting go. Up and away, yeah, we go. I found my flow right on time, and now I know what it feels like to shine like gold. Up and away, yeah, we go.
Napakagaling.
I don't gotta worry about a single thing. I can feel the light coming down on me. Sunshine on my face. I got sunshine on my face. I don't gotta care in the world right now. Higher than the ceiling, breaking through the clouds. Sunshine on my face. I got sunshine on my face. Yeah. I got sunshine. I got sunshine. I got sunshine. I gotta let you know. I got sunshine. I got sunshine. I got sunshine. I got sunshine.
This sports ako. Nagulat ako. Alam ko sa... Morning po. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Yuko. Yuko na. Sige. Ibis. Ay, naka-video pala.
Eagle, very good. The Philippine eagle or ang haribon or hari ng mga ibon dito po sa Pilipinas. Bakit ba siya yung ating national bird? Dahil ang Philippine eagle po ay dito lamang siya makikita or matatagpuan po sa ating bansa. So, and lastly, the last po sa ating national symbol na nakasulat sa ating batas ay ang ating national sport. What is our national sport? Arnis. Very good. Arnis po ang ating national sport.
Huli. Makita. Bawasan mo yung buka lang. Tama na eh, kalas mo.
Mamigay niyo po ang mga tickets. Make sure po na hindi po iwawala yung mga tickets. Po.
Tama na.
Hindi po tayo makakapasok kapag nawala po natin yung ticket.
Tama na, ikakalat.
Kaya po ay...
Very interesting day po. Lapos sa PWD Pregnant and Senior. Sige na, enter na. Push mo.
Tulak naman, tulak po. Maglalak kasi. Ayan. ACL! ACL, wait lang. Oo nga, hindi na halata. Teka lang si Ate Kat. Lalak. Patalikod. Lalak ba? And it's raining! Diba, tinuro niya kagad yung shop. Tuntua siya sa shop. Mapapapap. Mag-ready muna tayo. Tara. Jacob, ano yun? Ang makaloko. Sige, sige. Siya, magmalikot ha. Nananakot ang bata. Uy! Magang mahagod. Galing mag-enjoy ni siya. Poker face eh. Nakakainis. At kami po ang nag-enjoy. Op, op, op. Sugar rush? Chill, chill na lang. Yes, we're open na. Woo, 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 woo. Hey, 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 hey. Last ride for the day.
Sinong mapala? Sino ang
My socks are still wet. My socks
Sinong mapala?
Thank you for watching. Bye.